Welcome to another episode of MK Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Paint to make beautiful desktop backgrounds. Let's get into the application and show you how to do it.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
One should note the pixel numbers because they are useful at some point.
All of it closely, I played it innocent, a feel of discontent, I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Instead of colors, one can also make a drawing following the similar steps we followed earlier but add some more advanced features.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted. said, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a fear of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you would wish to see this and many other videos as this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.